You can't see it, I'll just break the fucker off.
Word. Man, they put brush piles all over here. Holy shit. Yeah, what the fuck, dude? Let's see it. Oh. Let's see. Probably gonna have to pull off a little bit further back. Did I get it there? No way. Yeah, I was about to say, I barely grabbed it. Let's see. Okay. Oh, shit. Let's see. Pulling back to it. There we go. There you go, buddy. Hey, no problem. It's all fun game, so I just chuck it and it flies off. Oh, I laughed my fucking ass off. This was $70. $70 glide bait. Right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Check. Oh, okay. Oh wow, that's pretty. I can already tell you. Pretty weird. Catch anything on this, I'd be very surprised. Big bait. Ah. Oh, dude, that's kind of hard to cast off a kayak. It's so big. Jesus. Oh my. It's turning on a dot. get off. It's crazy. It's like sticky. Who thought of that? There we go. Took all day, but we got one. Yippee, buddy. That makes me happy. Hey. Took all day. Took all day. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. Honestly, one of my coldest bass I've ever caught. The guy was freezing. And on that note, a couple more casts, I'm probably gonna go. Happy to get one. That's what it's all about. Makes the day worth a while. Got another. There you go. It's crazy. Confirmed there's still a whole bunch of dinks up at 35. Holy shit. Check it out, guys. We got 2 fish today. That's fun. Later, dude.